Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to skincare or just feeling overwhelmed by all the products out there, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate beginner's guide to skincare. Just 3 simple steps to get you started on your journey to healthy, glowing skin. Let's dive in. First up, our cleanser, raw honey. Yes, the same honey you put in your tea. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin while gently cleansing. It's also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for all skin types, even acne-prone or sensitive skin. How to use? Wet your face with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of raw organic honey. Manuka honey is ideal, but any raw honey works. Gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. It's that simple. Your skin will feel clean, soft, and hydrated. No harsh chemicals needed. Step 2. Moisturizer. Think of this as your skin's drink of water. Moisturizer helps lock in hydration and keeps your skin soft and supple. Let's lock in that hydration with jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a miracle worker because it's the closest natural oil to our skin's sebum. That means it's super nourishing and won't clog your pores. Plus, it's packed with vitamins E and B to repair and hydrate your skin. Here's how to use it. After cleansing, take 2 to 3 drops of cold-pressed organic jojoba oil. Warm it between your palms and gently press it into your skin. Focus on dry areas like your cheeks and neck. Your skin will feel silky, smooth, and deeply hydrated. No synthetic moisturizers needed. Step 3. Now let's talk about the most important step, sun protection. For a natural option, look for a sunscreen with non-nano zinc oxide as the only active ingredient. Zinc oxide sits on your skin's surface, reflecting and scattering UV rays without absorbing into your skin. Brands like Badger Balm or All Good make amazing 100% natural sunscreens with ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax. Here's how to use it. Apply a generous amount to your face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Trust me, your skin will thank you for protecting it naturally. Bonus DIY natural toner. Want to take it a step further? Try this DIY natural toner to balance your skin's pH and remove any leftover impurities. Here's the recipe. Mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Add 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil for a calming boost, optional. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing and before moisturizing. It's refreshing, natural, and super easy to make. And that's it. A simple, 100% natural skincare routine that's gentle, effective, and perfect for beginners. Remember, skincare doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, nature knows best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite natural skincare ingredient? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.